today we will be talking all about custom conversions. Recently, I've been seeing an influx of complaints about custom conversions, about Facebook's custom conversions not working because, as you know, Facebook changes stuff a lot of time, and for some reason they changed something that wasn't broken at all, and now it wasn't working. First things first, make sure you have the URL of your thank you page. So when you're creating a custom conversion, obviously you want the URL of the page where they land after they complete an action that you wanted them to take. So if you wanted them to sign up for something, then you'd want the URL of the page where they land after they opt in, after they complete a form, an opt-in form, and that's the URL you're going to take. So here, for example, this is the page that I want to create a custom conversion for. This is the page that people will land on after they fill out the contact form. And here, I just want to take the part of the URL after HTTPS, www, and just copy that and go back to my custom conversions section. So here, create custom conversion. Click on the button that says create custom conversion. Give your custom conversion a name, so filled out contact form. And then custom conversion event can be all traffic. And then here, under Facebook selected category, you can let Facebook choose the correct category or the appropriate category, whatever it thinks is the most appropriate category. Or if you want to set that, you can. So here, I can either choose lead or I can either choose contact. And then here is where the trouble lies. So before, people just paste the URL into this field. But now when they do paste it, it doesn't seem to be working. This create button is grayed out. It doesn't let people create their custom conversion. Now, when you noticed, when I pasted the URL into the field, there was a drop-down menu that appeared, right? So let me do that again. So just delete this and try and paste it again, and there it is. There's a drop-down menu that appeared. Now, what Facebook wants you to do in order to create the custom conversion is actually click on that drop-down menu, and there you go. It is now allowing you to create your custom conversion. If you're selling something, if you have a monetary value for your lead or for that action that that person has taken, then feel free to set a conversion value. But if it's just a lead and you don't really want to set a conversion value, then that's fine. Leave this unchecked. Now you can create your custom conversion. So just click on the create button and you're set. Now, the next issue is activating your custom conversion and making sure that it's set up properly. So most of the time, it's only a matter of going to the page and giving it a quick refresh. Give it 1 to 2 refresh, right? Let me refresh that again. Now, the key here is making sure that you don't have your ad blockers on, because that actually does affect whether Facebook can track your conversion. Yes, ad blockers can actually prevent the Facebook pixel from tracking certain actions on your website. So when you're trying to activate your custom conversion, make sure that your ad blocker is off. And here I have my ad blocker and it is not off. So let me pause that and let me give this a quick refresh. And as you can see here, I can see that it has triggered the custom conversion that we just created. So if we go back to our custom conversion section, this should now be color green and it should say active. And there you go. So easy peasy. Now there are times when you've done everything right, you've followed all the instructions, you followed all the steps that I've taken, and for some reason Facebook is not letting you activate the custom conversion that you just created. So what I've found is there's another approach to creating your custom conversion, and that is by creating it from the ad set level of your ads manager. And let's go to the ad set level. Here you can actually create your custom conversion. So Can you see this option here? Right here, it says define a new custom conversion. So for some reason, there were instances when I couldn't activate custom conversions that I created over at the custom conversion section. But when I created them here on the ad set level, I could activate them so easily. So I'm sure it's just a glitch, but for now, I have not experienced that at all. So everything should be working. You can create all your custom conversions here and you should be able to activate them. So yeah, that's it. This video is pretty short and straightforward, and I hope that it helped you because I really have been seeing a lot of people struggling with this. So now that you know how to create custom conversions, go forth and run your ads. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye!